March 7, 2024, a probation officer was arrested for having an affair with an inmate at the Dorothy Kirby Center in Commerce, a juvenile detention facility in Los Angeles County. In the statement released announcing the arrest, the officer was not named in a statement from the department, but an anonymous law enforcement source confirmed her identity to the LA Times. The officer in question was Officer Rafaela Martinez, a 51-year-old probation officer who worked at the Dorothy Kirby Center for many years. The investigation into Martinez's alleged misconduct began when a cell phone was recovered from a youth in custody at the Dorothy Kirby Center. This device, which should never have been in the facility, contained evidence that was both intimate and incriminating. Texts and photos of a sexual nature were discovered, revealing an inappropriate and illegal relationship between Martinez and the detained youth. The content was not only explicit, but also suggested that some of the communications occurred while Martinez was on duty, blurring the lines between professional conduct and personal indiscretions. The youth's identity is currently being withheld due to his young age, and the officer's identity is being concealed. The arrest of Officer Martinez was swift, following the discovery of the damning evidence. In addition to the charges related to the sexual misconduct, she was also accused of smuggling a cell phone and a prescription medication bottle into the facility. These items, considered contraband in the controlled environment of a jail, further compounded the gravity of her alleged crimes. The case against Martinez had yet to be presented to the LA County District Attorney's Office, but the court of public opinion was already in session. News of her arrest drew immediate and unequivocal condemnation from county leaders. LA County Supervisor Lindsay Horvath described the reported actions as heinous and problematic on every level, insisting that arrest and a swift investigation were the only appropriate responses. This incident was not an isolated one, but rather the latest in a string of scandals that have plagued that particular probation department.